Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make candy cane fudge. Stick around. Ho, 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 my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Christmas is right around the corner, and this week's treat is perfect for the occasion. It's a white chocolate fudge with crushed candy canes mixed in, and a swirl of red on top that'll make for a beautiful addition to any holiday table. I found this recipe on the food.com website, and I'll share a link in the description. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own candy cane fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 20 ounces of white chocolate chips, one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 3/4 of a teaspoon of peppermint extract, 20 candy canes, and some red food coloring. I'm also using an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment, a 2-pound sledge that I call Mini Mjolnir, a saucepan, a spatula, and a table knife. Okay, let's make some candy. Line an 8x8 baking pan with parchment. Disassemble the candy canes. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine the white chocolate and the sweetened condensed milk. Cook it over medium heat, stirring frequently until the chips are melted. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the peppermint extract and crushed candy canes. Spread the fudge mixture evenly in the bottom of the prepared baking pan. Dot the top of the fudge with several drops of food coloring, then with a table knife or a toothpick, cut through the fudge and food coloring, making a swirling pattern throughout the fudge. Chill the fudge for at least 2 hours, then remove it from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. Yeah, minty. The levels of sweetness and mint are perfect here. Not too much, not too little. Goldilocks would certainly approve. If you want a treat that'll make you feel like you're walking in a winter wonderland, you really ought to try these. And Merry Christmas, compadres.